Hello students, today we are going to learn how to show places according to different directions. We should know the right method so that we can understand these things very well. In the corner, at the corner, on the corner. There may be a lots of confusions, but today we can overcome these problems very well. On the board we can see there are some more beautiful examples. You can see the first example over here. There is somebody else who is standing at the corner of the street, on the corner of the street. So here we have to be very careful. Okay. Look at the second example. You can see there is somebody else who is standing in the room. So we have to use over here in, and for this example we have to use on or at. We make a lot of errors related to these examples whenever we are outside. We always provide the wrong direction to somebody else. So we get a lot of problems at the same time. Today we can overcome these things very well. Now I'm going to read some more examples for you. We say at the corner of or on the corner of a street. Keep these things in mind. We say at the corner of or on the corner of a street. Now we would like to read examples. There is a food shop at, on. Here we have got some examples, options. At, on the corner of a street. Look at the second example. The camera is in the corner of a room. So I'm going to read these things once again. There is a food shop at, on. Here we have got two options. The corner of a street. Now look at the second example once again. The camera is in the corner of a room. Now you can make a lot of different examples by using these things. Okay students? Now you can understand these things in your language. It will be quite easy for you to memorize in your language. Thank you.